All right, so it's that time of year again. Let's talk about renewing your Florida vehicle registration for 2026. The good news? We're going to skip the lines, skip the hassle, and get this done fast. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the official online process so you can get it done, well, right now.
You know that feeling, right? You see that envelope in the mail, or you realize your birthday's coming up, and bam, it's time for that annual task. But forget about planning a trip to the DMV. We are going to get this done right from your computer using Florida's official online portal.
So here's the secret weapon, the fast track, if you will, the MyDMV Portal. Now this is super important. It's the official state tool. We're not talking about some random third-party service here. Sticking with the direct source is how you save time and, let's be honest, a massive headache. Let's see how it works.
Okay, first things first. Before we even jump into the how-to, we've got to answer a really important question. Can you even use the online system? The answer for most people is a big yes, but there are a few common things that can stop you in your tracks.
So let's break it down. You're probably good to go if your registration is active, or even just recently expired. And this is a big one, your mailing address on file is correct. Now, on the other side, the #1 reason people get blocked online, it's almost always an insurance stop or suspension. So, a word to the wise, make sure your insurance is all squared away before you even try to log on.
Okay, so let's say you're eligible. Awesome. The next step is just a little bit of prep work. And trust me, taking literally 1 minute to grab a few things before you sit down at the computer is going to make this whole thing ridiculously fast and smooth.
And here's everything you need. It's not a long list, right? Just have your license plate number ready. If you've got that paper renewal notice, grab it. That pin on there can be helpful. But here's the most important part. Double, triple check that your mailing address is current. Why? Because that's where they're sending your new sticker. Then, of course, have your payment card handy. With these 4 things, you're looking at a 5-minute job, tops.
All right, let's get to the main event, the actual step-by-step walkthrough. Here is exactly what you need to do on the official MyDMV portal.
And look, it really is this straightforward. First, you go to the official website, make sure it's the right one, then pop in your plate number and that renewal code. The system will show you your vehicle info and address. Now, this is your chance to confirm everything looks right, especially that address. Seriously. Then you just pick if you want a 1-year or 2-year renewal, take a look at the fees, and then pay. Oh, and here's a pro tip. That last step is crucial. Print or save that digital receipt right away. It's your proof of renewal until that sticker physically arrives in your mailbox.
So why is step 5, reviewing the fees, so important? Well, because in Florida, there isn't just one flat fee for everyone. It's not that simple. The portal actually calculates your specific total based on a bunch of stuff like your vehicle's weight, what county you live in, and even the design of your license plate. So you always want to check that final number before you hit pay, just so there are no surprises.
All right, so you've clicked pay. You've saved your receipt, you're feeling good. You're so close to being done, but there is one last very important piece of the puzzle, actually getting that new decal for your license plate.
So, how long does that take? Typically, you're looking at about 1 to 2 weeks for it to show up in your mail. Just remember, it comes via regular U.S. mail, so there's no tracking number to obsess over. Just, keep an eye on the mailbox.
But what if it's been a couple of weeks and your mailbox is still empty? Yeah, that's a common worry, and it does happen sometimes. The good news is you don't need to panic. There's a clear game plan for what to do next.
Here's your action plan. Step 1, pull up that receipt you saved. Was the mailing address 100% correct? If it was, move to step 2. Check your bank or credit card statement. Did the payment definitely go through? If the answer to both of those is yes, then it's time for the final step. Get in touch with your local county tax collector's office. They'll tell you exactly what to do to get a replacement.
When you boil it all down, the golden rule here is just so simple. Renew early. Please don't wait until the last possible second. Giving yourself that extra cushion for any potential mail delays is truly the best way to avoid late fees and just keep the whole thing completely stress-free.
So, there you have it. We've gone through who is eligible, what you need to get started, the exact steps to take online, and even what to do if your sticker gets lost in the mail. We've pretty much demystified the whole thing. You've got the complete roadmap. So really, what's stopping you from knocking this out in the next 5 minutes and getting on with your day?